out in the rain today for some Thrifting Thursday. It's busy in there today. I was surprised. I think people are trying to escape the weather. Here's this dresser. I just finished these nightstands. They were the nightstand dresser, and I was hoping that would come down in price. It's not great quality, as you can see. I had to fix that. This is a great single nightstand. I would definitely have picked this up, and I wish it had a second one. There's some cool little tables here. They were cute. If I was in the market for those, I think I would have purchased them. They were well priced. Here's another dresser. When I opened it, I was like, the quality just wasn't great, even though it was priced as if it was great quality, but it wasn't. Here's another single nightstand I would have picked up had they had a pair. Of course, here's my favorite buffet. I've already refinished one of these. It was one of my favorite pieces ever. They've had this since October and still at $900. This is a great dresser. 9 drawers, no maker's mark, but super high quality. Inside was just beautiful. I think that this is definitely a really high quality piece. I've done something similar, but not this exact. Those dovetails are painted, but they're there. Overpriced at $250. And then I saw this table. Oh my goodness, if I had mid-century in my home, I would love this. It had all the information on it. That particular listing was for over $2,000. They are selling it for $800. I mean, what would you have chosen?